Hello, my name is Sergio Pereira, and most recently I was looking for a course to learn Python. And I have found this excellent course called CS50 promoted by Computer Science Harvard University, whose professor is David J. Mellon. The course has been formatted to be completed in 10 weeks. This is the final project, and for this I have developed a code to simulate an online Bitcoin services where you can lend or rent Bitcoins. I have set the systems to have a period of rental or lending as seconds to have a way to demonstrate in a few minutes, but in the real world it would be preferable to change that to hours at least. As I'm a Brazilian, I have created user interface in both languages. It can be selected at the start. Let's see the system running. So initially it asks for the language. Let's select in English, and I have an option to show the balance. It started with 100. In a class we have learned how to create APIs, and this is used for the option 2 when we can check the price in real time of the bitcoins. And let's simulate a lending, and I'm lending 100 bitcoins to the system, and the system is informing me that I will receive $1.40 for those 100 bitcoins by second. And so let me check the balance right now. It should be 200, and let me close this contract, and I will receive 50 $25.20 by lending by 18 seconds 100 bitcoins. It is printed in the screen, but also in a file. This was another class that we have learned how to write and read files, and let's do more options here. So let's simulate how to rent bitcoins using the option 6 100, and let's close this using option 7, and by those 5 seconds I need to pay $14 by having rented 100 bitcoins. Okay, I have another option to show if the API is up, and just to show, let me run again and select the Portuguese just to have an idea in another language. Okay, is it. I'm glad to finish this course, and I'm happy that I could learn Python in this timing. Thank you.